Hi guys, my team have told me it's going to be a challenge for me to keep the time, so I'm going to do my best. So, very quickly, I should have looked at these slides before. We're the first issuer processor in Europe to offer access to Visa, MasterCard, and China Union Pay. So it was the first time that we allowed banks to have access to the likes of Union Pay that wasn't available in Europe before. We're a payments technology company. We're an end-to-end payments technology company. And what we do is we provide all the services you would expect that sits behind the scenes. So I'll give you an example. These amazing apps, user experiences that you've seen to date, they're great on the front end, but what's happened behind the space hasn't innovated at all. So what we've done is actually looked at that and built a brand new back-end solution using modular microservices with isolated code. We're a team of 85 people now. We're based in London. We have a very experienced team. So our team have actually worked on the likes of Revolut, Monzo, Starling, TransferWise. So it's a new company. It's actually only been running for 18 months. But the team where we've come from have actually built these solutions. So in industry spiel, we're an acquirer processor, a payments gateway, digital wallet, and we have banking solutions. To make it clear, we're strictly B2B. We're not B2C, so we're not providing the solution to the end customer. It's actually, when it comes to acquiring, it's a case of somebody that wants to be an acquirer, we give them a platform to be an acquirer. Somebody that wants to launch a bank, they have a banking license, we provide them the technology to issue debit cards, credit cards, prepaid cards. We do everything from a technology perspective with the exception of money. We don't touch the money. We're not regulated by the FCA. We're not involved in the flow of funds. We provide the tech. So what makes us different? There is so much change happening in the space. Traditional banks have always been very inward-facing. Their platform has been built not to open up to the world. New changes, PSD2, open banking. It's basically been forced on these companies to open access in ways they were never built for. 30-year-old technology platforms were coming end of life a few years ago. Now technology cycles are shrinking even further. So something that was 10 years is now considered end of life. What we've done is built our platform using these Lego blocks. It allows us to build and actually bring new modules to the market without impacting the wider market. It sounds really strange, but everything's in isolated code, so we can add Lego blocks with new services or remove them. So a new requirement, PSD2, open banking, an extra module. So I've kind of gone on this, which is basically, you cannot be inward-facing as a payments company. Long gone are the days where it's about not collaborating, innovating behind closed doors. You have to look at the market. There's so much innovation happening so quickly, it's very hard for companies to change. So what we're saying is that if the architecture of the platform is future-proof, and that's kind of a bold term, how do you make your architecture future-proof? Well, what we're saying is every Lego block we have on our platform has its own code, which we can update or even destroy the code and write the code again from scratch. Our platform, it's called ISAC. It's very clever. It stands for Issuing and Acquiring. And at the heart of it is different solutions. We have a digital wallet solution, standalone, multi-currency. You want your brand, you get it. Crypto wallets, we can hold the nodes for you. Banking service, you want access to faster payments, direct debits. Now you may say, how is that possible if you're not regulated? We have access via clearing banks that gives us the access, and we give you one technology aggregator for all of the services. So issuer processing, as I said, debit, credit, prepaid. A white labeled gateway. Now we sometimes have people contacting us saying, can we use you on our website to collect payments? The answer is no, we'll introduce you to our clients because we're not regulated to hold or be involved in the flow of funds. And then the acquirer processing, which is all related. Now, this all sounds really great because it's all under one roof. But the real clever bit is they all work together, but they also work independently. Somebody could use one aspect of our platform, point in the right place, and use it with another provider. So you could literally use our digital wallet and use your own processor anywhere around the world. platforms have been made to do single messaging, secondary network, which basically means a global platform right from the outset. The world is shrinking and fintechs don't want to do things in just regions. So we built it for that. Yes, I think I'm on time.